Now, I don't know if any of you have heard, but the Australian Department of Health has said that having too much sugar turns you into a fat cunt. Now, I have come up with a solution for a healthy, nutritious breakfast. We've got some wheat bix. Some call them cheat bix because they had the Australian cricket team on them for a while. We've got some homegrown Aussie honey. I've heard you just like, yeah, and it nuts out. Oh, I got honey on my hand. We've got some Yoplait mango yogurt because strawberries are for a bunch of fucking pussies. And then we've got some full cream milk by the cows. Fuck your almond milk, I ain't a vegan. Now, if we take out some of the Woot Bix, fucking get open, cunt. Alright, there we go. We just grab some of the... there it is, Woot Bix. And now, you can't have them whole when you're having yogurt. So you gotta break them up. You gotta break them up, much like a building after it's been attacked. Now we just break it open. Yummy, yummy, crunchy, runchy. It looks like my shit after going through bouts of constipation, but that's alright. That's exactly why we're having Wheat Bix, because it's good for your fibre. Now, makes you shit. Now, I need to grab a spoon. We put the spoon in because that's fucking difficult. Oh, look at that, mate. We've got some fuck. How am I gonna do this one handed? I need to wash my hand quick so I can get that fuck off honey off. Just give it a wipe, because one thing you need to know about being a chef is you've got to maintain your hygiene, or else you get fired and you go to fucking prison for food poisoning. Fucking KFC. We just pour him in. Oh, nutty. Oh, look at that. Those chunks are... I don't know, there's some form of sexual innuendo in there somewhere. Now, I was wrong. We don't need milk, because I just realized yogurt with milk will make you fucking barf. I keep stepping in the fucking shit on the floor. That's alright, my dog will eat it. Now we get the honey, just screw the cap off, and you watch it come out like a fucking new video on Brazers. Oh, thick. And then you just give it a bit of a mash up, so all the flavors can combine. You can get a rich, nutritious flavor that will not only benefit your lifestyle, but will benefit your bowels, and you will be as fit as a grasshopper on a Sunday morning when you're trying to have a sleep in. Now, let's give it a bit of a taste, and beautiful. Fucking beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed, and incorporate this into your lifestyle, and you'll be feeling better in fucking 2 ticks, mate.
Full disclosure, I'm not liable for any of you shit cunts getting fucking poisoned by honey or milk or any wheat picks of the following kind. This is just a video, and if you die to it, it's all your own fault.